Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel. And first of all, if you're new to the crew, do me a favor, subscribe and get notified for more videos just like this. But hopefully you guys are having a fulfilling day. Hopefully you guys are chilling right now. Hopefully you guys are well. But actually we're gonna talk about a company called Blackview. They do specialize in smartphones, rugged phones, even smartphone accessories. So they asked me to review these, but the funny thing was that I actually had already added them to my cart and they were already on the way to me by the time I received their email. So I'm gonna give one of these to you guys at the end, but make sure you guys stay to the end of the video active with me. So we're gonna go ahead and check these out and see if they're worth it. But they do have some really cool features, IPX7, as well as Bluetooth 5.1 also as well. So these are the newest earbuds from Blackview. I have my Blackview A80 Pro right here, but first I want to go ahead and kind of check these out. These are the stem style earbuds. Finally, I got the box open. It's a little bit hard to open. That thing is tight. Sorry, so we got the seal off of the box. Let's put this off to the side and just kind of check this out, see what we're dealing with. We got a peel up tab right here, which gives us some information right here. So we do have the Blackview user manual right here. So let's go ahead and open up this thing right here. You get that LED light, which is turning green on the front. So it does indicate that there is charge left on these guys. Then you get this pull out tab right here, which is going to house your Type-C. This does have a Type-C connection right here. It does have a Type-C connection on here, so let me just show you that. So let's go into Bluetooth and let's go into pair a new device once we lift the top. So you can see I did lift the top and there should be an automatic connection. Let me do that one more time. And so I lifted the top. There we go, Air 3s right there. They just appeared on here. So let's do a quick pair right now to them. And first thing I want to do is go into YouTube and kind of see if there's any latency on YouTube. Oh yeah, they line up perfectly. I could even see you guys gaming on these with no latency or playback issues. And they also have that open ear design, so I could actually hear what I'm saying a little bit. Volume's all the way at the top. Okay, cool. So yeah, I definitely could recommend these for YouTube, but what we're gonna go ahead and do is jump into Spotify right now. So let's just jump into Spotify and let me see. So applying pressure. That song is like really nice. Let's hit that play button and I'm gonna let you guys know. Okay, so it just dropped. It just dropped right now. So these don't have any volume controls, but let me test out the touch controls. One tap. It's not pausing, hold on. All right, so 2 taps paused it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 3 taps switches the song. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay, so 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. Let's long hold it for Google Assistant. What is the weather right now? Okay, so Google Assistant works for 3 seconds. Now let's try this side. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. It switches the song. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's just forward. Hold on here. So I was right. There's no previous song. But you can click 4 times to reset either earbud, and 2 seconds you could long hold it for Google Assistant. So I'm listening to the music right now and it's at full volume and I'm able to hear myself while I'm talking. So these are like that open style earbud that you can use while you're talking and having conversations with people. They give you about 5 hours of playtime on these. So I just want to let you guys hear the microphones. Alright guys, so this is the sound quality coming out of the Blackview A80 Pro from the Earbuds 3 from Blackview. So let me know how the microphones do. I have the volume. Let me see if I could turn it more further up. The volume is literally at max. It's all the way up right now, so they can't even turn it up any further than what it is right now. So that's how it would sound if we was having a conversation outside or something like that. But let me know how the microphones are doing right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video right now. All right, cool. So I just stopped that music. Well, not music, but background noise. But let me play a little bit more music. But overall, these sound pretty good for the money, like $39. You're also, they were on sale. If you bought them at a certain time, they were on sale. But I'm listening to some. These have a nice little bass kick. They do sound really good when they're in my ear as far as the bass. It's not like the craziest in the world, and there's no passive noise cancellation or nothing like that. So you're gonna be able to hear people talking around. You're gonna be able to hear things around you, but they have a nice heavy warm kick to the snare, and some good separation when it comes to the instruments that I'm listening to. So I can definitely say that I would recommend these. You know, $39.99. It's not bad. But if you can get them on sale like I did, then I could definitely say that's pretty cool. But oh, if you guys, I know you guys were waiting for me to talk about the giveaway. So just leave in the comment section down below, Blackview Crew. And I'll read all the comments of that say that, and I'll pick one of you guys to give away one of the Blackview AirBuds 3. You could put Blackview Crew AirBuds 3. And I'll respond to one of you guys. But I'm gonna get right back with you. I'm also gonna see you in the comment section. So I'm gonna be looking out for your replies so I could go ahead and send out the Blackview Air 3 once they do arrive. The ones that the company sent me. So I do have my order here, and it says that I got these for $18.28 when they were on sale. So, you know, they're still on sale right now. The sale's probably gonna end any day now, but if you can get them for $18, I could definitely say that it's worth it. But I wouldn't pay more than $40, obviously. So I definitely could say that these have a really good sound quality. I'm listening to music as we speak. They don't have backwards on the songs. You could only go forward, and you could only press pause, and you got your Google Assistant as well. So I definitely think that these are pretty cool if you want to have conversations in them. You know, just talk to your friends, family members, things like that. And maybe when you're at work, you could pop these in. You could even work while these are in if your job lets you. But like I said, I'm gonna get right back with you. Make sure you leave hashtag Blackview Crew down below, and I'm gonna get right back with you later, crew. Peace.